Hey, how's it going? Okay, my name is Nigel and I've been doing SEO for my clients for several years. So in this video, I will be showing how you can optimize your blog post for on-page SEO using Yoast. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so what I have here is a website of a client, okay? And this article has not been published yet. Basically, he wrote this article out and then he asks that I help optimize the SEO for this article. Now, usually the first thing that I do when I optimize an article for SEO is I try to break things down and make it more readable. So at its basics, what I'll do is I'll try to read them through and then I will break them down into smaller paragraphs. So for example, okay, so as you can see, I've broken the texts down into short paragraphs, okay? The idea is to make the article a lot more readable and easier to skim and scan. Okay, now the next step is to find anything that is worthy, that is important. Then what I'll do is I will turn them into quote marks. Okay, so as you can see, parts that I think are important, I turn them into quote marks. Okay, so that it's easier for the readers to actually skim and scan the whole article. Right, so now the next step is to actually identify for the keyword to optimize against. Okay, now the key to identify the right keyword is to ensure that the keyword has good traffic and at the same time very low competition. To do this, I usually rely on SEMrush. Alright, so as you can see here, I've done a bit of search on SEMrush, okay? And what it shows is the keyword good personal training certifications looks promising, okay? It has a volume of 480 searches a month and the keyword difficulty is 21, which according to SEMrush is easy. That means the likelihood of this page ranking, this blog post ranking is a lot higher. Okay, so what I will do now is I will optimize the whole article for this keyword, good personal training certifications. Okay, so now the first step is to actually look at the early part here. Okay, one of the things I prefer to do for my clients is I will try and come up with an answer snippet. Okay, the idea is when you have a very short and direct answer to the question, Google is likely to pick it up and put it as an answer snippet, then your article gets showed in featured answers, right? Okay, so as you can see, what I've done is I gave a quick answer to the question, 5 best personal training certifications, and then I bold them. So the idea here is to emphasize that this is the answer, so Google is more likely to pick it up. So here we see focus key phrase. So what I'll do here is I will enter the keyword that I want to optimize for, which is good personal training certifications. Okay, so now I'm actually at orange level. Okay, so what I'll do is I will start optimizing this against what Yoast suggests. Okay, no outbound links, so we need a link. We need to create some links that go outside of the website. Okay, so as you can see, once I put in the link, that request for outbound link disappears. Right, so now we're going to look at images. And for this, I usually will get images from Canva. I have a paid Canva account. And what I'll do is I will look for suitable pictures that I can put in to the blog. If you're worried about licensing for Canva, this is Canva's official answer when it comes to how we could use the images. Okay, so this is from Canva, and this is what Canva promises us. You can use our content in a Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial users. So in this case, we should be able to use the images from Canva for our website. All right, as you can see, I've created images. I've taken some images from Canva and then I add in a bit of a graphic just to like trademark the image and make it look more professional. Another image that I like to do is I create a quote-based image like this, okay, that we can put into the website. And this is suitable if your website, you're a bit unsure about what images to use and you're a bit wary about using images, we can use quote images like this. Okay, so I created a couple, and then this is the featured image, basically the main image that will headline the blog post, right? So with all these images ready, I'm just gonna download and then put them into the website. Okay, so as you can see, I've put in some images into the blog post, and you can see that the requests for images have gone away. But there are still some optimization that we need to do with these images, specifically the image key phrase. Okay, it is also an opportunity to optimize for this good personal training certifications keyword. So let's copy paste that, and this is what we'll do. We'll click the image and then we will go to the alternative text and then we will put in the keyword. We'll choose a couple of the image. We don't want to do it on all of them because it's not a very good idea for that. Okay, right, let's go back to Yoast. Okay, we're still at the orange level. Now we're gonna need to do a little bit of internal links. So internal links is basically links that connects between pages in the website. So what I'll do here is I will find related keywords that I could use to point to pages within the website. Okay, so I have included 2 internal links. So as you can see, that little thing about internal link on the problems has gone away. Now the next problem is keyword density. Okay, key phrase density. The key phrase was found 3 times. So I need to do one more. I need to repeat the key phrase good personal training certifications again. So let's click this and figure out where can we put them. Okay, now let's look at the next problem, key phrase distribution. We will leave this as is for now. Okay, now let's come back here, meta description length. No meta description has been specified. Okay, meta descriptions is what is shown on Google search results. And for that, we need to actually tell WordPress what to actually show. Okay, in this case, we'll scroll down all the way, and this is what will show in Google search result at this time, but we will change it. Okay, so I put in the meta description. Okay, again, I made sure that the key phrase is being repeated. So now it has gone away and it actually appears in good results. So the key phrase or synonym appear in the meta description. Well done. Okay, now let's keep going. So now our SEO analysis has turned green. It's no longer orange, which means we are actually moving in the right direction. Okay, so I've created a table, okay, to include with this article and also to contain as a content for the header good personal training certifications. Maybe I'll add a 5 down there. Okay, so right now, as for the optimization, we are both on the green side. That means we are very, very optimized. Okay, as I said, I will probably leave this untouched because it may not be necessary to further optimize this. Okay, and I think what we can do now is we can preview the blog post. Okay, as you can see, this is the blog post, the featured image, and then this is an optimized answer snippet. Hopefully Google will pick it up and feature it as a featured answer. The same goes with the table. It can also be picked up by Google. And then this is a little bit about the content. As you can see, the quote marks make the text stand out and more likely to be read by your visitor. This is the image. So basically the idea is to make the blog post easy to skim, to scan, because honestly not many visitors read word by word anymore unless it's very important. Okay, so once all this is ready, what I'll do is I will leave it as is, and then my client can come in and take a look and then publish the post. If not, some clients are happy to also let me publish the posts by myself as well, but that one depends on what my client thinks. Alright, so hopefully this video is helpful and I appreciate your time watching all this long video, and I'll see you in the next one.